Welding 360 here with a video, another welding video. I am currently working on making a sign that has my YouTube name where it goes in circle, where I can make it where it spins, because I thought it would be cool. And I'm trying to get better at with my welding skills. This is just the beginning. Right here, this plate right here that's clamped by this clamp and that clamp is going to be welded. I'm trying to figure out where's the best place for this. If I should put it this way or out that way. I don't know. That's some other parts for it. A fan, a cooling fan, switch, some other parts. They're kind of important. So yeah. Please like, comment, share. Please subscribe. And thanks for watching. 360 out.